I just wanted to explain why I stopped making any videos. I was filming on an action camera, well, this one, and it's a pretty cheap action camera. And well, the first two videos that I made were horrible because I was filming it in this waterproof case and you couldn't hear any audio unless you had to really turn up the volume, and that made it really difficult to hear what I was saying. So right now I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 7, and as you probably can hear, the audio quality is way better. But the biggest reason why I stopped making videos was this action camera. It really, like, when I wanted to edit the videos, they were all mixed up. I had to organize which video was which part of the day, and getting that organized, it took so much out of the day. And whenever I had to edit a video, I had to take a full 0 day just to edit. And that was just, after 3 YouTube videos, I decided that that was enough, because it just took so much energy to edit everything. So yeah, I hiked. I mean, I stopped videoing at I think Auckland it was, I'm not quite sure anymore, but I hiked almost 2,000 kilometers from Cape Reinga to Te Araroa. No, sorry, St. Arnaud. That's on the South Island, about a couple hundred kilometers. And that's when I decided that I'm gonna go home. And I don't know, I just didn't feel it at the time. Like, I wanted to vlog the whole thing, and it just didn't work out. And so that's when I decided that I wanted to, I went home. That was in middle of January of 2019. And yeah, then I started working. I worked for, well, right now it's middle of September, as you can see the trees, and yeah, I was working until now pretty much, and just getting enough money, because my yo-yo hike dream of the Te Araroa Trail, to hike 3,000 kilometers down and then back up 3,000 kilometers, that's still real for me. I really want to do that. And as you can see, I'm vlogging with a GoPro camera, and it edits everything perfectly, or it has the titles of when you make the videos in order. It's so much easier to edit, and just makes everything way simpler and easier. Yeah, it's, like I said, it's middle of September, and I'm just training here a little bit. Every week I'm going around 20 kilometers, 25, and yeah, I should be starting in Cape Reinga, starting the Te Araroa Trail in beginning of October. So I want to vlog the whole thing and really take you guys with me, or just make the videos for myself, because I want something to reflect on later on, and kind of go from there. So yeah, I guess see you then. yeah, I just want to apologize for the editing that I did on the first couple of videos. It was just horrible. The audio of me talking was really, you could barely hear it, and then, yeah, as some comments stated, it turned the volume up high, and then whenever I put music in, it was just screaming in their ears pretty much. So just want to apologize for that. And yeah, I'll try my best to get it better this time. Well, with a GoPro camera, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way better. So yeah, that's just a side note that I wanted to say. And yeah, hope my videos will get better over time, and I guess see you on trail.